Welcome students. Today we are going to learn a new concept in polynomials, that is factorizing the polynomials. Now first, what do you mean by factors? Now for example, if I take a number 14, 14 can be written as 7 into 2. So this 7 into 2 are called as the factors of 14. 7 and 2 are called as the factors of 14. So whenever you find the factors, when you multiply it, you get back the same number. So the same way, even for polynomials, we are finding out what are the factors of the polynomials. So to find out the factors of the polynomials, you have learned it in the 8th standard, how to factorize the trinomial expression. The same way you have to do it even here also. So in practice set 3.6, find the factors of the polynomials given below. So you need to find out the factors of the polynomials. So practice set 3.6, the first problem to find the factors. I'll take the first problem. Is given 2x square plus x minus 1. So you need to find out the factors of this expression. To find out the factors, the same method that you have learnt in 8th standard, you are going to follow here. That is, you will take the product of the first and the last, which will give you minus 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Then you will find out what are the factors of 2 and the factors of minus 2. So the factors of minus 2, that is 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. Now how to choose the signs to get a plus sign here? So to get a plus sign here, so you have to take this with a positive sign and this with the negative sign. Now just simplify and see whether you are getting the terms here. Now plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 2 into minus 1 will be equal to minus 2. So like this you have to simplify this. When you simplify this, you need to get the middle term. When you multiply these two, you have to get the term which is there on the top. Now this further is written as, write the first term as it is. The second term, the middle term, you are going to split it in these factors. So you will get it as plus 2x minus 1, and the last term minus 1x, and the last term minus 1 is written as it is. So the middle term 1x, you are split it as 2x minus 1x, and the last term is written as it is. Now grouping the first two expression and the last two expression, your 2 is common, 2x is common. So when you take out 2x as common, here you will be left with x plus, and here you will be left with 1. Because when the full thing is taken out as common factor, in place of that you need to write it as 1. Now from the next two terms, you have to take it out, minus 1 as common. When you take minus 1 as common, this one will become plus x. Since minus is taken, you need to change the sign of this expression. So you will get it as x plus 1. So you have got the same terms here and here. So further this is written as x plus 1. That is a common factor what you have got, you are going to write it. Then in the other bracket you are writing it as 2x minus 1. So these are the factors of this given polynomial. When you multiply these two, you will get back this expression. So this is how you factorize the given trinomial. We'll take one more problem and see how to do the factorization. The fifth problem, you have got root 3 into x square plus 4x plus root 3. So you have got a third in this polynomial. So you have to factorize this expression. So as you have done in the previous case, take the product of the first and the last term. When you take the product of the first and the last term, root 3 into root 3, you will get it as 3. Now the factors for 3 are, first root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 value is equal to 3. The factors for 3 are 3 and 1. And 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So this you are splitting and writing it as root 3x square. First term should be written as it is. The second term you have to write it as plus 3x plus 1x plus root 3. So what you have done here is the middle term you have split it in the factors that you have got here. Now further grouping the first two and the last two. Now here as it is, you cannot take out anything as a common factor. So this 3, again write it back in terms of root 3 into root 3. So you can write this as first term as it is. The second term, this in place of 3, write it as root 3 into root 3, and this x write it as it is. Then all the remaining terms you write it as it is 1x plus root 3. Now this and this you have to group it. Now when you group the first two terms, root 3 is common and x also is common. So root 3x is common. Root 3 and 1x is taken out as common, so one more x remains here. Root 3x is taken out, so here you will be getting as root 3. And here plus 1 is common, so you will get it as x plus root 3. So taking out again the common factor, you will get this as x plus root 3 into root 3x plus 1. So this is how you do the factorization of the polynomial. The same method what you have learnt in 8th standard. Take the product of the first and the last and find out what are the factors. But the second problem in the exercise is directly the polynomials are not in the standard form trinomial expression, but by doing proper substitution you can convert it into a standard form, and then you have to use the same method of simplification. Practice set 3.6. Second problem. The second problem, the first sub-question. So they given x square minus x whole square minus 8 into x square minus x plus 12. So this is the given expression. Now this expression you need to factorize it. Now when you look at this expression to do the factorization, when you look at the expression, you have got the same term x square minus x here. Here also you have got the x square minus x term. So the same term what you have got in both the places, replace it by another variable other than x. So we will put the value of x square minus x with some other variable, we will take it as a. So this equation will reduce to, that is in place of x square minus x you have to write it as a. So this equation will become a square minus 8. Again in place of this you have to write it as a plus 12. So when you look at this expression, this has already become a quadratic polynomial with 3 terms. So quadratic polynomial you have got here. So this you have to factorize it using the same procedure what you have used in the first problem. So you are going to take the product of the first and the last, that is 12. So the factors for 12 are 6 into 2 and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. But what are the signs you have to give since you have got minus here? So both will be with the minus sign. So now this expression will become a square minus 6a minus 2a plus 12. And taking out common factor, a is common, so you get a minus 6, minus 2 is common. When you take out minus 2 as common, you need to change the sign of the second expression. So you will get it as minus, and 2 6 are 12, so you will get it as a minus 6. So this can further be written as a minus 6 into a minus 2. So this completes the factorization of this polynomial, this expression. But this given expression is in terms of the variable x. So what you have to do is, what is the expression you have taken here as a, replace it by the value. So when you replace a is equal to x square minus x. So you get, when you replace it, in place of a you have to write it as x square minus x. So you will get x square minus x minus 6 is the first term. The second term will be x square minus x minus 2. Now again you have got two different terms here which are again in the form of a quadratic polynomial with 3 terms. So further, if you can simplify it further, you need to do the simplification. If you cannot simplify it, you have to take this expression, find the factors, you have to take this expression and find out the factors. So first we will take the first expression, you have got 6. So when you find out the factors for 6, these factors are 3 into 2. And 3 minus 2 is equal to, you get this middle term. So when you choose the signs, this will be with minus sign and this will be with the positive sign. And here you have got this as minus 6 because 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. So minus 3 plus 2 will be equal to minus 1. Minus 3 plus into plus 2 will be equal to minus 6. The factors are correct. So you will get this as x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Now further this, take out x as common, so you will get x minus 3, and take out 2 as common, again you will get x minus 3. So here the factors are x minus 3 into x plus 2. So you have got the factors for this expression. Same way you have to find out the factors for this. To find out the factors for this, you have got minus 2. Factors are 2 and 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 you get. So the signs will be minus 2 and this will be plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. So this one simplifying, you will get x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. So taking out common factor, you get x, you get x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2. So you get x minus 2 into x plus 1. So you have got two factors here, you have got two factors here. So when you write the final statement, you have to write all the four factors together. Therefore, the factors are x minus 3 into x plus 2 into x minus 2 into x plus 1. So you have to write all the four factors together. So this is how you simplify the expression. That is, this is not in the standard form, but you can convert it into standard form by substituting the value of x square minus x with the value of a. You get the standard form. Then the same way you have to do the simplification or find out the factors of it. We'll take one more problem and see how to do the factorization. Take the fourth problem. X square minus 2x plus 3 into x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 35. So this is the problem where you have to do the factorization of it. So here when you look at the expression, you have got the same terms in both the brackets. So that same terms you replace it by another variable. So you are going to put the value of x square minus 2x equal to a. So this equation will reduce to a. In place of this you are writing a plus 3 and put the bracket, and this one will become a plus 5, close the bracket and write this 35 as it is. Now here what you have to do is you have to multiply this one. When you multiply, a into a is a square, 3a plus 5a will be equal to 8a plus 5 3s are 15 and this minus 35. So simplifying this you get a square plus 8a plus 15 minus 35. So which will be equal to minus 20. So now you have got this in the standard form where you have to find the factors for this. So 20, the factors are 10 into 2 and 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. So this will be with plus sign and this will be with the minus sign. So you get the factors as, splitting the factors you get plus 10a minus 2a minus 20. Taking out common factor you get a plus 10 minus 2 a plus 10. So further this can be written as a plus 10 into a minus 2. Now replace a is equal to x square minus 2x. So you get x square minus 2x plus 10 is one factor. The other factor is x square minus 2x minus 2. Now if you can further find out the factors for this, you have to find out. Now we'll just check whether you can find out the factors for this. Now here when you take the factor for 10 into the first term you got as 10. The factors for 10 you will get 2 into 5, or the other factor is 10 into 1. Neither by adding this or by subtracting this you will get the middle term. So factorization is not possible. Now coming to the second expression, you have got 2 here. Product of first and the last one is 2. Factors are 2 into 1. Neither by adding this nor by subtraction you will get the middle term. So factorization is not possible. So when the factorization is not possible, you have to leave the factors as it is. So this itself will be your answer to find out the factors of this expression. Suppose if you can factorize this, further you have to factorize it. If you cannot factorize it, then don't do the factorization, leave the answer as it is. So this is the second type of problem that you have got. The next one, x minus 5 whole square minus 5x minus 25 minus 24. So here when you directly look at the problem, you may think there are no common terms in both the brackets. But this can be simplified further and written as x minus 5 whole square. From these two terms, 5 can be taken out as common. When 5 is taken out as common, you will be getting x minus 5 within the bracket minus 24. Now you have got the same terms in both the brackets. So you are going to put the value of x minus 5 is equal to a. So you get the expression as a square minus 5a minus 24. So you have got the standard form. So here the factors for 24. 8 3s are 24 and 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So you get this as a square minus 8a plus 3a minus 24. So you get here, taking out common factor, a minus 8 plus 3 into a minus 8. 8 3s are 24. So here the factors are a minus 8 into a plus 3. So this is not your final answer. Put the value of a as x minus 5. So that is, put or replace a is equal to x minus 5. So replacing it in place of a, you have to write it as x minus 5 and this minus 8 has to be written as it is. In the second bracket, a is replaced by x minus 5 and this plus 3 is written as it is. So simplifying this, you will get x minus 5 minus 8 is minus 13 and here x minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So this will be your factors for this expression. So this is how you have to find out the factors of any given polynomial.